Hello friends, myself Assistant Professor Partha Mistry from Electrical Engineering Department, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Friends, today we discuss about the properties of laser beams. The main properties of laser beams are monochromaticity, second one is coherence, third one is high directionality, and fourth one is that extreme brightness. So all properties are very important, and it is very useful for different application of lasers. So friends, let us discuss deeply about each and every property. Number one is that monochromaticity. The laser light is almost perfectly monochromatic, much more than monochromatic than that of any other monochromatic source. It emits only one wavelength. It has only one wavelength, and it will be very monochromatic in nature. The mirrors convert the continuous emission band into a group of sharply defined discrete lines. So laser beams are very monochromatic in nature. There is only one wavelength having the same wavelength of each and every photon beams that is emitted from the laser source. So laser beams are monochromatic in nature. Second one is coherence. The laser beam of laser light is completely coherent. All waves are extremely in phase with one another. All the waves are in same phase with each other. At interference pattern can be obtained also using beams from the separate lasers. This is inherent in the process of stimulated emission, which is responsible for the laser action. So the coherence nature of the laser beams are necessary for the stimulated emission for the laser action. Third important properties of laser beams, that is high directionality. A laser emits light only in one direction. Whenever the laser beams is generated, it has only one direction, and it is used for this property in many more applications. The width of the laser beam is extremely narrow, and hence a laser beam can travel to a long distance without spreading. Laser beams are used for the long distancing without spreading applications. It has only one direction and non-spreading nature. So due to this property, it is used in many more applications, such as in the science application or in telecommunication applications. So for these property, it is used in many more applications because it is in only one direction. The laser emits light only in one direction. And the fourth one is that it has an extreme brightness. Extreme brightness is the unique property of the laser beam. Due to the high energy density and directional property, it can be vaporize even the hardest metal. A laser beam can produce the temperature of the order of 104 degrees Celsius at a focus point. Suppose we have to cut the metal or a metal bar, then if we use the laser, then laser can produce up to the temperature of 104 degrees Celsius at a particular point from which we have to cut that metal. So for the extreme brightness, using the extreme brightness, we can produce this kind of high temperature, and we can cut the metals. So these all are the properties of the laser. There is monochromaticity. Second one is that coherence. Third one is high directionality, means it has only a one direction. And fourth one, that is it has an extreme brightness. So all properties are very important, and according to the properties of particular laser, its application is decided, and it is very useful. Thank you.